I have Samsung electric range NE595N0PB with error code E84. Can you please tell me which part number to replace the display board? Is the 9203019.
Can you guesstimate how old your Samsung is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
2 to 3 years old Samsung NE595N0PBSR.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if I can know the display board number to buy.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
This is the message from the appliance tech regarding dissimilar E84 error from Samsung NE597SN0PBSR. Yes, there are just 2 boards that may be at fault. The display board you'd want to replace is part number DE9203019J and it costs about $140. My model is NE595SN0PBSR.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. So first, the display board is not your problem. E84 is an inverter PCB issue. This could be a faulty fuse or an entire bad PCB board. Below is the service manual for your range and page 60 goes over what to check on your unit. The part number is for your power induction module if you need it, and below is a link to the part as well. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
That is great. Let me review the service manual and try tomorrow. So I will check the fuse first. If not, then I have to buy the part number. The service manual link does not work.
Okay, sounds good. Here is a link to the manual again. Click here to download manual.
My model is NE595N0PBSR.
Yes, I know. Same service manual for your unit.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.